Okay, hello dear friends. Let's continue the Song of the Spheres. That's a little bit strange because what I heard is the song of the siren. And let's take a look how it goes. The smell of the dead clings to the nostril. Only when we had passed out of the mist, when there was wind and tide, day and night, did we shake off the chill. We returned to Circe's island. When my men had feasted and were asleep, I told Circe what I had learned. She shook her head in wonder. Mortals are meant to have only one journey to that place. You alone will have two. Listen well to what I have to tell you. There are several trials you must undergo before you find the island of the sun god Hyperion. Circe told me of the island of the sirens. Circe told me of the island of sirens, the island of sirens, and their enchantment, and how I might evade them. She told me also of straits. Our ship would approach. The current will carry you into them. You cannot prevent it. To your left, you will see, rising sheer from the sea, a column of rock. The sides so smooth it is as if they have been polished. The sunlit, shrouded in thick smoke. In the column there is a cave. This cave is the lair of an ancient, snake-necked, flame-skinned, six-headed dragon. Oh, they will meet the six-headed dragon. The island, the island of Siren. Sihan. Her name is Scylla. Her name is Scylla. Her name is Scylla, the devourer. Her name is Scylla the devourer. As you pass through these straits, she will launch and eat 6 of your crew. Better this than to sail too far to starboard. Odysseus has to sacrifice 6 of his men. Wow. The 6-headed monster. To your right, you will see an island, broad and flat, like the back of a crab. One fig tree dips its branch into the ocean beneath. Under the fig tree, there is a whirlpool. Her name is Charybdis. Her name is Charybdis, the swallower. if your ship were to be caught in the grip of a current, not even great Zeus could save you. This is why you must stay as close as you can to the bottom of the dragon's tower. Wow. As soon as she had finished, I asked, how can I kill this Scylla? She shook her head. She pressed her finger against my lip. This is no place for acts of daring folly. There is a price, a toll, which must be paid for safe passage through these straits. Either you lost 6 lives, or all of you die. Well, there is a price. The price is 6 lives. That is more than a mathematical problem, right? It's a mathematical and moral debate and argument. The next morning, when dawn took her golden throne, we said our last farewell to Circe. She gave us a wind to fill our sail when the wind failed us. When the sail sagged, we knew we were approaching the enchanted region of the sirens. The sirens sing a song so beautiful that any mortal who hear it forgot everything except the desire to hear more. Many a ship has wrecked itself against the rock that lurk beneath the sea around their island, but they are the daughters of a muse. To pass so close to such beauty without experiencing it was unthinkable. I had to hear that song. I ordered my men to tie me to the mast and block their eyes with wax. Block their ears with wax. They were to ignore my instruction while I was under the sirens' spell. The shimmering sun began. I begged my crew to change their course. I threatened them and cursed them, but they were deaf to all my pleas. As they pulled at the oar, they could see 2 white hills on the island. When we were closer still, they saw that the hills were heaps of bones, bleached white by the sun. On top of each heap, they could see a crater with the body of a vulture and the head of a woman singing. As for me, I could see nothing. I could only hear a song so searingly beautiful, I nearly lost all reason. Wow, the sirens are. In the song, I heard so many songs: the beating of a swan's wings, the hiss and drags of the sea on sand, the mourn of the wind as it blows across the broad face of the world, the rhythm of the passage of the seasons, my wife singing, and all the songs I heard were in harmony. For those few moments, I heard the song of the sphere. Ever since then, all music has been chattered to me. The sound of a shield as it falls on the cobbled floor. Nothing is as beautiful as the siren sound. It took my heart away. It took my soul away. But I could do nothing because my hand, my body was bound to the mast, and my men could not hear because their ears were waxed. They were deaf. They could only row, 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 and that's why we can go across this dangerous place.